let us see one example. Here, lithium, these are all the cations, those are the anions. Sulfide, SO3 minus 2, sulfate, SO4 minus 2. Now, lithium sulfide. Now, lithium is having plus 1 and sulfide is having 2 minus. When we are taking the valences, we need not take the symbol. Remember, we need not go for any symbol. Just eliminate it. Now, this 2 will come here and this one is going to go there. Means Li2 S1. Where there is 1, we need not put 1. So, the final formula is Li2 1. Lithium sulfide is Li2S. Lithium sulfide. I think you are understanding. Lithium sulfide. Because lithium's 1 came here. This 2 came here. So I think you understood. Lithium sulfide. This 2 came here. This one went here. There is no need of writing 1 here. So I think now you understood. Now you can try to tell me. Now Na, sodium. In this case, sodium sulfide. Na plus Na1. Let us take this 1. Valence is 1. Sulfide valence is 2. This 2 comes here and this one goes there. Means Na2S. See, no, nothing is there means 1 is there. Sodium sulfide. IDE, sulfide. Now potassium sulfide. Now K. This is valence is 1. Sulfur valence is 2. So this 2 is coming here. This one is going there. So the formula is potassium sulfide. K2S. Now beryllium sulfide. You can now give a competition for me. Now you can do much faster than me. Beryllium sulfide. Be2. Sulfide is also having 2. These 2 gets cancelled, my dear friends. Now beryllium sulfide, the formula becomes BeS, beryllium sulfide. Magnesium sulfide, MgS, magnesium sulfide, because 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So magnesium sulfide, IDE, MgS. Calcium sulfide, Ca2. Calcium sulfide, 2 gets cancelled. Means CaS, calcium sulfide, CaS. Barium sulfide, same thing. I request all of you, you can complete this, you can continue this. Ba, here it is 2 plus 2, sulfide is 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So, barium sulfide, it becomes BaS. B capital, A small, S capital. Zinc sulfide, Zn, valence is 2 here, sulfide 2 gets cancelled. So zinc sulfide is Zns. Zinc sulfide. When we are studying the atomic structure, we have used zinc sulfide as a fluorescent screen. I think you remember. Zinc sulfide. Copper sulfide, Cu. See here the meaning of copper is cupric. We are using this cupric. So Cu, that is 2 valency, sulfide 2 gets cancelled. Copper sulfide means Cus, copper sulfide. Iron sulfide, Fe. This also, here iron means ferrous. You should be very clear, it is ferrous. Fe2 plus. Sulfide 2 gets cancelled. Ferrous sulfide. Fe. Yes. Now I think you understood. In all these cases we have written sulfides. IDE, sulfide. Now sulfide. Now let us write these 2. Lithium. Already we know Li. 1 is the valency. SO3. 2. Sulfide, for ite SO3, this 2 comes here, means Li2 SO3. See here, 1 is going here. There is no need of specially mentioning that one. So lithium sulfide, IDE, lithium sulfide, Li2 lithium sulfide Li2S, lithium sulfide Li2SO3, lithium sulfate LiSO4. No confusion. There is no need of confusion. Right, here also sodium sulfide. I am not telling in detail again. Now you can write along with me. Na2, because the 2 valency of sulfide is coming over here. SO3. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4. You understood why? Because this 2 is coming here, this one is going there. No need of writing. Next, potassium sulfide K2SO3. I know that you might have understood. I am not telling in detail again. Potassium sulfate K2SO4. Potassium sulfide IDE K2S. Potassium sulfide K2SO3. Potassium sulfate K2SO4. Now beryllium sulfide BeS. Beryllium sulfide BeSO3. Be2, because the valency 2 is coming here. See my dear friends, here the beryllium valency is 2 and this also is valency is 2. 2 is getting cancelled. So my dear friends, if I bring it down again 2 gets cancelled. So you need not write all these things. So beryllium sulfide means just you can write BeSO3. Beryllium sulfide. Beryllium sulfide. Beryllium sulfide. Beryllium sulfate SO4, because 2 and 2 are getting cancelled. So you need not write that again. So beryllium sulfate BeSO4. Beryllium sulfate. Magnesium sulfide IDE MgS. 2 and 2 got cancelled. Same way here also. Magnesium sulfide MgSO3. 2 got cancelled. I am not writing again. Magnesium sulfate MgSO4. 2 got cancelled. Now calcium sulfide CaS. Calcium sulfide CaSO3. 2 got cancelled. I am not writing. Calcium sulfate CaSO4. Calcium sulfate gypsum. We see the gypsum. Calcium sulfate. See S capital O capital. C capital A small. So calcium finish. Next, barium sulfide. This is barium sulfide. Barium sulfide. 2 get cancelled. 2 and 2 got cancelled. I am not writing. Barium sulfate BaSO4. 2 got cancelled. I am not writing. I think now you understood. Now, next zinc sulfide. See, I am trying to rub something because my space is not sufficient. You write neatly, my dear friends. Now, barium is finished. Zinc. Now, zinc sulfide already written. Zinc sulfide. Please write faster than me. Zinc sulfide SO3. Zinc sulfate ZnSO4. Zinc sulfate. Copper sulfide. CuSO3. Copper sulfide. Copper sulfate. CuSO4. Copper sulfate solution, very colorful, blue in color. Copper sulfate. Iron sulfide. FeSO3. Iron sulfide. Ferrous sulfate. We even call it as ferrous sulfate. FeSO4. 2 got cancelled. I am not writing. Ferrous sulfate FeSO4. My dear friends, I think now you understood. You understood how to write all sulfides, ites, sulfates. See, we have written the chemical formulas for so many permutations and combinations. Now, let us write for aluminium. In the case of aluminium, because aluminium is having valency 3. Just for example, let us take 1 or 2 examples with aluminium. Aluminium Al plus 3. Now, aluminium sulfide Al. This is 3. S2. This 2 come here. 2. This 3 goes here. So the formula becomes But when it is 3, you have to take it carefully. Now, aluminium sulfide. Aluminium sulfide. How to read it? Al2 SO3 taken thrice. See the bracket, you have to read like that. Al2 SO3 taken thrice. Taken thrice means the whole bracket is taken 3 times. Aluminium sulfide. Aluminium sulfate. Now you can write. Now this 3 SO4 is there. This 2 comes here. This 3 goes here. So aluminium sulfate. Al2SO4 taken thrice. Aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate. Now let us take one example of carbide. Carbide, because the valence is 4. Let us take one example of carbide, because already we have seen the valency of carbide is 4. Minus 4. Okay, 4 is the valency. Now see. Okay. Okay, generally we don't come across all this. Okay, let us stop with here. Now you understood how to write the. I request all of you, please write down all these examples. If you can write some more, you can even write some more. Ammonium sulfide, ammonium sulfate. Here I would like to write one more. Ammonium ion, NH4, because we are taking a compound radical here. Ammonium sulfide. So NH4 plus 1. Ammonium ion is NH4 plus 1. See how to write it now. Ammonium sulfide. NH4, this is 1, S2. My dear friends, now this 2 have to come here. So now you have to put a bracket to this now. This one goes here. Okay, one no need of nothing to worry. Now see. Now what we are writing? Ammonium sulfide. Ammonium sulfide. This 2 came here. When it is coming here, when it is a compound radical, you have to put a bracket. Ammonium sulfide. NH4 taken twice. Yes, you have to read that. Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfide. Now let us see ammonium sulfide. NH4. This is 1. SO3. This is 2 with the valency. These 2 have to come here. So this 2 came here. You have to put a bracket here. So you have to remove this now. No need of putting 1. Now ammonium sulfide. NH4 taken twice. SO3. Ammonium sulfide. Now ammonium sulfate. NH4. This is 1. SO4. This is 2. 2 comes here. So NH4 taken twice. This one goes there. Nothing to worry. So when 1 is there, no need of writing. NH4 taken twice, SO4. Ammonium sulfate. That is ammonium sulfate. I think now you understood how to write with a compound radical. See, when your cation is a compound radical, this is the way you have to write. So I think now you understood how to write. You can take some more examples. From the valency table, you can